Nikita. Hi, Sujit. Go over there and close your eyes. I have a surprise for you. Yay, surprise! Here's your surprise! Yay! Let's open it! Hi, guys! Hi, guys! Today we can open a Marvel Spider-Man toy. He said that we're going to open a Marvel Spider-Man toy. Look! It has over 100 noises and sounds.
Ooh, my spider sense is going crazy.
It can talk. It responds to 5 voice commands. On the side it says what it includes. It includes web fluid and 4 missiles. And 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the web fluid. So on the back of the box, it says that it responds to 5 voice commands. Web shooters go. He said web shooters go. You can tell Spider-Man when to blast his webs. Webs of fury. Webs of fury engaged. Spider sense training. Spider sense training. Find something green. Find something green. Tell me a joke. Wow, you could tell him jokes? So he'd say one. Danger, watch out. Danger, watch out. Let's open this toy. Okay, so there's some tape right here. So here is Spider-Man. My brother's taking off the stand. I'm gonna try taking off some tape. I got it! Wow, look at that stand. It looks like a web, right? Yeah. So here is a Spidey web fluid thing. So here's Spider-Man out of the box. These are the instructions, and these are the web missiles and the web fluid. So you want to show them the missiles? It's a light blue color. Do you want to take it out? You have to press on the missiles and just do that. The web fluid is going to be messy. So what he said is that if we use the web fluid, it would get messy. So we came here so it wouldn't make such a big mess. Yeah. So are you ready to try him out? Yeah. Okay, so let's see what it can do. One on it. It's the other one. There.
I'm your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
It talks! It talks! Whoa! Okay, we have to press it one more time.
This button and say danger, danger, and I'll use my spider sense to scan for danger.
Okay, let's do it. Danger, danger.
I get the feeling there's some bad guys around here. I'm sensing something. Could be trouble. Uh-oh, I had that feeling again. Something's headed our way. Look out! Okay, the coast is clear. Glad I was able to help out.
Whoa. On this side? You want to try it? Yeah. So there's this button on its knee, on the back of its knee, that can shoot. Okay, see the last one. What are you doing?
You ready to partner up and take on some bad guys?
Yeah!
Bad guys at 12 o'clock.
Okay, so this is the on and off button, and this can switch from whistles to web shooters. And this is how he moves side to side. And if you press this, these missiles pop out. Or your web can pop out. Tell me a joke. Tell me a joke.
Okay. How about this one? With great power comes great responsibility.
That's
And a great right hook. Watch out, Vulture.
That's a joke, guys.
joke? Press my chest
That
button.
is a joke. Let's hear another joke.
Okay. How about this one? Why did the vulture surrender? If you can't beat them, join them. Hey, do you want to hear another joke? Press my chest button.
Let's do something else this time.
Come back anytime, and I can tell you another funny joke.
Hmm?
So you want to test your spider sense skills? Okay, here we go. Find something blue. Once you found it, press my spider logo on my chest. Turn your spider senses on now.
Go!
That was fast. Nice job.
Good job!
Hey, do you want to play again? Press my chest button.
Let's do something different now.
Think you got what it takes to be a superhero? Okay, let's try this. Red. Once you found it, press my spider logo on my
Find
chest.
something red.
Turn your spider senses on now.
Find it!
I sense you did an excellent job.
Good job!
Hey, do you want to play again? Press my chest button. Think you got what it takes to be a superhero? Okay, get ready to use your spider sense. Find something yellow. Once you found it, press my spider logo on my chest. Turn your spider senses on now. That was fast. Nice job. Hey, I've got web missiles.
So
and
we're
web
gonna
fluid.
move it to the web shooters.
Web shooters engaged.
Okay, let's try it out. So we have to put it up facing the red. No, I put it. Wait, there. Okay, let's
I
close
got
it.
web missiles and web.
Oh, look how big this is. Oh, and make sure not to aim this at eyes and face because you saw how messy it gets. Okay, do you want to try it one more time? Yeah. Let's try it again. No. Ready? Wait, we have to on. Wait. You have to be careful.
I'm the friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
Yeah. Let's see. Move. What are you doing? Ah! Oh! They're going. They climb up! Did you see that? I see that, guys. Act like a robot. Act like a robot. Act like a robot. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Be happy.